Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, representing 30 minutes, instead of each one of those representing a day, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like multiple days, it's actually just one single day today, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough day today, but definitely some new updates here need to be made. First key level to keep an eye on going forward is where the buyers very clearly stepped in today on a couple different occasions, and that's right down there at $1.74. In fact, on 2 separate occasions, both earlier in the day and then later on in the day, the bears try to press down even further than that, but to give credit where credit's due, the buyers and the bulls did step up right there at $1.74. So that's become a very important and key level of support going forward. In the event that level does not hold up as support, now that I scrunch down the chart, it makes that much more sense why this area is holding. You can see right here, there's quite a bit of a track record of this $1.74 mark now acting as support. So definitely a very, very important level going forward. But as I was saying, in the event that $1.74 mark does not quite hold up, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it also wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift down to the $1.70 mark, which would be the next key overall technical point of view. However, as of right now, to give credit where credit's due, $1.74 is indeed so far acting very nicely as that level of support. Now, in the event there is some sort of bounce that's created, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance, if there's any sort of bounce, going to be right there at the $1.80 mark, and that is just essentially where this little miniature bounce finally ran out of steam. After $1.80, the next key overarching level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will continue to move itself lower and lower. So right now, yes, it's valued at $1.90, but again, that's a moving average, so that value is going to move and change as the week plays out and drop lower and lower. So just something to keep in mind there. Although I'm probably getting a little bit too far ahead of myself because first off, the price just needs to continue to stabilize and then get above $1.80. And then at that point is when it would make more sense to turn your attention back to the 50-period moving average. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Rough day today, although the price is showing some signs that maybe this is some sort of bottom. So we'll see if there can get some sort of bounce or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.